Hello everyone. Want to put text or logos directly onto 3D surfaces in SOLIDWORKS? Okay, in this quick tutorial, I will show you how to master the wrap feature. First of all, we will create a solid body for the wrap feature. Okay, so let's create. Select front plane. Okay, then we will click a top plane and we'll create a sketch for the wrap. Okay, so click on sketch, then text. For the text, I have to create a center line. As you know, without line we cannot create a text. It should be 90. Okay guys, now your sketch is ready and click finish. Then select the sketch, go into feature, then select click on wrap. Okay, there are three types of wrap. Okay, first is emboss, and second is deboss, and third is scribe. Okay, so we will do these one by one. Okay, so start from emboss, select here and select this face for the deboss. It is asking for the deboss height, thickness. We put it 10 mm. Okay, you can see, just like you can deboss the text on the curved surface. You can color it for the better highlighting. Okay, so I think L is invisible. Oh, you have to take it. Okay, now L is also included. Okay, then we will go again in the wrap feature, then edit. Now we will do deboss. Click on deboss, and you can see there is a wrap method. It is analytical, and this is spline surface. So our surface is spline. We can select it. Okay, then you will click. You have same method here. Okay, which we used in emboss. So same we will use deboss. then click on OK. You can see it is debossed. Okay, again we will go in edit feature of ref, then now we will scribe. Okay, it is like a split tool. Okay, you can see our text is now scribe. Just like you can use the wrap feature